my question I had for you, Darius, you started to talk about the things that people need to get pre-approved. What are those? Like, what are you going to ask me for if I'm a buyer and I'm coming to you for the first time?
Sure.
Yeah,
So,
what's a pre-approval letter? We're taking that for advantage here too as well. Yeah, can you explain that? That's good.
Yeah, so pre-approval letter is a letter that states the bank is stating that, the client has gone through pre-qualification questions and has turned in documentation to prove that they are qualified for a certain loan amount. Okay? So when you write an offer, right, you submit the offer, and then you have your bank pre-approval letter. So when the seller looks, they see that you're qualified to purchase the home. That way they see you're serious and they know that you can actually qualify for the purchase of the home. Now, in order to get pre-approved, the bank looks at two things, right? Most government loans, FHA, conventional VA loans, right? We typically need just the last 2 years of income documentation, which would be your last 2 years taxes, W-2s, 1099s if you're an independent contractor. If you're self-employed, then just the last 2 years business and personal tax returns. We also need to see the last 2 months bank statements. The reason we need the bank statements is just to see if you have a down payment in there. If you're not pulling from your bank, if you're getting it from a 401k, then we just need a 401k statement, right? And then just a copy of your driver's license and social security card to run your credit. From there to see your debts and calculate exactly what you're pre-approved for. So we call it the 222s in the industry. Last 2 years taxes, right? Last 2 months bank statements, and then if you work for a company, your last 2 pay stubs.
Thanks so much for checking out the video, you guys. If you're looking to take the first step to buy a house, the number one thing you can do is develop a team that you trust.
We have a network of incredible real estate agents all over the world, so shoot us a message and we can make that connection for you.